Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we are working on this BMW X5. The X6 are the same, so this is the F15 2015 model. It goes all the way up to 2019, I guess, and this is the 4.4 litre petrol, but it doesn't matter really if it's a 2 litre diesel, if it's the 3 litre, whatever it is really, in other words. So I'm going to just talk about the symptoms. So what we've got is, as soon as you hit probably 15 miles an hour, it doesn't matter really speed, but anything where you're doing some sort of decent speed, should we say 15 plus, and then the way it works is you lift off the throttle and the car starts shaking as if like it's misfiring. When you obviously mechanically it's sound, I know that for sure, it drives fine, drives sweet, no issues, no banging, whatever. But the issue I've got, well, the customer has in this case, is put foot down, let's say they're in 60 miles an hour in this case, lift the foot off, it starts juddering as if like it's misfiring. If you slightly put your foot down on the accelerator, again it feels like it's misfiring. It kind of gives you that sort of shaky feeling in the car. So the BMW X5s and the X6 are very, very known for this, right? A lot of people think, oh god, it's a new gearbox. It's not. It comes off two things. Two things cause this issue. I'll go through it and I'll explain exactly why. These new cars are really sensitive and built in a way where if something's out, whether it's tracking, whether a tire's out, it will trigger. Okay, so the cause of this issue on this car, like I'm saying, I'm telling you all this as well, is to double check. Is the tires. The tires are nearly bald as out. As you can see, look at that. It's bald. It's nearly on the line. Okay, and we've got like on here Dunlop, and then if we go to the back we've got Conti Sports. Okay, and again it's got like a little nice wedge in there, and it's literally bold. Like I don't even know why they've driven on this. Look at that, flat as in, it's smooth as all. There is no line. That kind of explains exactly why this X5 is getting this symptom. So my advice would be, because they are known for run flat, get run flats please, and make sure it's like good stuff, like Continental, all 4 round if you ask me. Don't get like cheap, please, for the sake of like, I know it's not going to be like 200 quid difference, it's probably going to make 300 difference, but it saves you the hassle of all the issues that you're getting on the car. And especially it happens even more when it warms up, not the engine but on the drive. So once you've done this, if obviously that's a must, make sure that is a must, do it, that'll eliminate it hopefully. If that still doesn't fix it, then it's to do with the transfer case. When I say transfer case, I mean the transfer case oil, which is just underneath. Someone can do it, a mechanic should be able to easily do it. Transfer case oil is very, very common. Drain it, put it in. I know I've seen, even on the forums as well, I've seen somewhere it says, you know, I've drained it 0.6 litres, but when I've put it in, you know, 0.8 litres is what it holds. I could be wrong, correct me guys. So my advice would be, do a transfer case oil change as well, and then just use a good diagnostic, genuine manufacturer diagnostic if you can, or even after, like, I don't know, let's say Hotel, Snap-on, Launch, King Bowling, whatever you want, use that, reset and recalibrate the transfer case, and this will eliminate 100%. When I say 100%, I mean, let's say 99%, because that is the main common issue on these BMW X5s and X6. I'm sure it'll be the same on the X3s, but it's common, very, very common if you look online as well. So advise, tires, make sure they're all the same, make sure it's not one on one side and one on the other side, and make sure you have tracked it as well, because if you don't track it, then you're going to get the same symptoms. But yeah, like we said, if you lift off the throttle, it starts juddering in a way where you think, oh god, it feels like misfiring, but reality is it's not. It's actually to do with that.